Today's what date?
What are we pointing at?
We are here.
So we're inside and we're taking a look around, and they have lots of flowers and trees. Really pretty. They're so pretty. I'm gonna be doing videos on my phone in here because I can't see my camera screen in the right side.
The answer is
Actually, a lady here making an arrangement.
with the both sides that are on display for shoulder. And then the other volunteers who do behind the scenes work on the side.
So pretty. It's a bush, yeah. My goodness.
It's a sucks.
Ah. See if I can see. I remember the pot? I thought maybe something else was in it, but just.
Oh, for a long time. I mean, we've had that one for at least 20 years.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I just. It caught my eye today, and I just was.
It's, well, it's gonna wait its turn.
They haven't had a time in my studio where I didn't have, like. I don't know.
Oh, look at that.
I just really enjoy seeing. Yo soy aquí.
So there is a cafe over here, but it's kind of expensive. Like quinoa bowl was like 14 bucks.
Okay.
So this place has been definitely a beautiful, neat experience. All the flowers here are labeled. You can learn a lot. Look at him. Look at him. So pretty. I just missed entirely everything, but they're performing music. And you already know we're gonna check out the gift shop. Lots of very pretty stuff in here. Of course, we're not buying anything. We're not falling into the trap. So that was our trip to, how do you say it?
North Carolina Arboretum.
The North Carolina Arboretum